In this video, I'm doing chemiluminescence using luminol and bleach. This is a follow-up to the video I did on doing that using hydrogen peroxide. I have about 500 milliliters of water in the giant beaker with about 2 grams of sodium hydroxide mixed in. And in the smaller beaker, I have about 50 milliliters of bleach. In the milk jug, I have 500 milliliters of water too. So I just put in around 0.3 grams of luminol, though it was probably a bit off since I did not use a scale. So there are a couple reactions going on here. First, the sodium hydroxide is deprotonating the luminol, as in it removes hydrogen from it. And then when we mix in the bleach is a very strong oxidizer, so very quickly it will oxidize all of the luminol, and when the luminol is oxidized, it rearranges into amino phthalate, and in the process it releases nitrogen gas. This also causes it to become electronically excited, so when it settles back into its ground state, it releases that energy as photons, which we see as the blue light. Since bleach is a much stronger oxidizer than hydrogen peroxide, it will result in a very short burst of light from the luminol, but it'll also be very bright. So whether you want to do it this way with the bleach or the other way with the hydrogen peroxide, which I demonstrated in another video, really depends on whether you want a short, bright reaction or a longer, not so bright reaction. Now I'm taking the 50 milliliters of bleach and I'm pouring it into about 500 milliliters of water just so that it's more dilute and so I have the same amount of liquid as I have of the luminol-based solution. I decided to turn out all the lights so that it would be easier to see the glow of the bleach going into the luminol solution. As you can see, the reaction ended really quickly, but when it was going, it was very bright, much brighter than if you used hydrogen peroxide. Thanks for watching.